Void invoices. Learn how to void invoices in Zoho Books when a transactions need to be cancelled, but you still want to keep a record for audit purposes. This tutorial explains when to use the void option, how it affects reports, and why it's better than deleting an invoice. Voiding invoices help maintain accurate financial records and ensures transparency in accounting. You can void invoices from invoice list. You can select the invoice, click these three dots, and you can void an invoice. We will discuss how to delete invoices before we discuss the void invoices. Now, and also we will discuss what are the advantages to use void invoices without using the deleting option. First, we will delete an invoice. Now you can delete this invoice by selecting this O and select these three dots and delete. Okay. Now we will delete this 36 invoice number 36. Select the invoice and select three dots and delete. Okay. Now system will pop up a message, delete invoice. You will delete. Right. Now we have deleted the 36 invoice number. Now we will create new invoice. Right. Now we have created new invoice. Now when you go to the invoice list, you can see number 35 there, 37 there. However, 36 not available. So if you are deleting, we don't have records what are the deleted invoices. This will be an issue for the audits and proper financial reporting. So therefore, without deleting, you can void the invoice. Now if you want to void an invoice, you can select the invoice you want to void, and you can go to this, you can click these three dots and you can select void. Here you can enter the description and you can void. Before I'll void, we'll go to the invoice and select this invoice. I'll refresh. So still we will select all one. Right, now in this invoice you can see that journal entry for this invoice. Now I'll void this invoice. Click these three dots and select void. We can need to give a reason why we are voiding this. Void. Now you can see there's no any journal entries. So earlier there's a journal entry, so now there's no any journal entries. That means there's no any transactions from this void invoice. Now previously we have deleted the invoice, but when you are deleting an invoice, that invoice details we cannot view. However, if you void an invoice, we have the record of that invoice. So like that we can void the invoice, and we will check some reports for this void transactions. Now if you go to the reports, and if you select invoice detail report, we have deleted this 23 number, 23 invoice. So 23 is there in the record. However, it will not come for the income. We will generate profit and loss here. We have 17,500. Here 18,700. So this 1,200, it's not available in the profit and loss report. So difference is 18,700 minus 17,500 is 1,200. So this invoice not available in the profit and loss report. You can drill down this. So here 23 invoice number not available. So without deleting, we can void the invoice. Then void invoices, there's no any accounting transaction. And also from here also you can view that void invoices. You can filter by void invoices. Like that, you can void the invoices. Now earlier we have deleted 36 invoice number. It's not available here, and in the profit and loss report also it's not available. So now you can use void option for deleting, and if you want to enter any credit note also, you can use this void option. If it is applicable for your organization, you can use this void option. However, without deleting, you can void, then record is available in the system. And if you want to create a credit note, that there are two transaction invoice, and you need to again enter the credit note. So you can use void if applicable for your organization, then you don't want to enter another transaction. So like that, you can void your invoices.